Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Jessica. I am the blogger behind MissMoreStyle.com, and here on YouTube I make videos about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. So if you're interested in any of those topics, I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. And also, if you're already a subscriber and you haven't done so yet, ding the notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload it 2 or 3 times a week, and it's always something fresh and new, so make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Today, I don't know, I feel like the light's really bright, so I'm going to turn it down a little bit. There we go. Today I'm doing a Walmart summer haul as promised from a couple videos ago. Well, not really. Was it? I think it was actually my most previous video. Anyway, I recently did a summer accessories, like handbags and shoes haul from Walmart, and found some amazing things, and you're going to see those in this haul. So if you want to check that haul out, I'll link it down below for you. But yeah, I found some more really awesome stuff from Walmart. I also have a more recent Walmart haul from the spring from Free Assembly, which is one of my favorite brands at Walmart. So make sure to check that one out as well, because there are some great pieces in that one that are all still available, and just highly recommend that brand at Walmart. We're about to get right into this, but before we do, I just want to do another giveaway in this video. I did one last week, so congrats to the winner of that one. I announced it on my Instagram stories. I will put the winner down in the description box as well if you're curious. But today I'm going to be giving away some Revlon goodies that I recently got. So you will be getting this fun clear tote bag that says Revlon on the bottom. If you are a sports fan, these bags come in really handy when you go to a stadium because you have to have a clear handbag. If you don't want to enter the giveaway, you're not interested, I'll put the timestamp right here to where you can skip ahead to where the haul starts. Got a couple colors of their Stay Satin Ink new lipstick line, but I have tried some other colors of these, and I have to say I love them. This color stays put, it feels really moisturizing, but also gives you like a little bit of gloss look, so definitely love these lippies. Also including 3 little palettes from their So Fierce collection. Some of these colors are so fun. I'm trying to show you without covering everything up, but there are the 3 little palettes. They're just like little quad eyeshadow palettes. Super fun. I've also tried these before as well, and the color is beautiful on them. You'll also be getting their Rose Glow Mist, which is their prep and hydrate and refresh. It's sort of like a setting spray, or you could just use this to refresh your makeup or give yourself like a little boost of hydration even if you're not wearing any makeup. And it is with Superfruit Complex Bi-Phase Formula, awakens skin for extra hydration and a boosted glow. This stuff is great. Also gonna throw in another thing of a Lit AF essence, which is from Pop Beauty. And whoever wins this, if you don't have a pair of iPods, maybe you can give this to a friend of yours who does, but this little PR mailer came with a little like silicone lips case for your iPods, which is super cute, and I would have kept it, but my husband got me the iPod Pros for my birthday, so I actually bought this case on Amazon like a week before this PR mailer showed up, which I think is so funny because they're so like such similar ideas. Me and Revlon were thinking alike, but yeah, how cute is that? If you're interested in this case and you have the iPod Pros, I'll link it down below. It was really cheap, and it keeps your case like nice and safe, and it's just really cute, you know? I will have this giveaway open for a week. You should enter if you are in the United States. If you are out of the United States, I'm so sorry. We'll drop the specific rules on how to enter somewhere in this haul, so just keep watching for details on that. So I wanted to go ahead and get some shorts from Walmart. I wanted to try some different ones because I'm always looking for like the perfect pair of shorts. So starting off with this pair from Free Assembly, which again, I love this brand. I feel like their items are so well made. They're very high quality, and these really appealed to me because they looked high rise and they had that like rolled cuff effect. I like these a lot. They're super well made. I love the denim. They feel high quality for the price. These are a really great pair of shorts. What I will say is definitely size up. I got a size 6 in these, which is my typical size, and they fit great. I don't think that they're too small, but they hit me right at the thickest part of my inner thigh, and I really don't like when shorts hit me there because I feel like it's not flattering. It feels uncomfortable because I feel like I'm always like tugging my shorts down. Sometimes I wish they would just go hit a little bit lower. But the cool thing about these shorts is you can unroll them. So you can unroll them once to make them slightly longer. You can unroll them all the way for them to be quite a bit longer. So that really makes them kind of versatile. You can do different looks with them, which is nice. They can be short shorts or they can be more mid-length shorts. I definitely think that I'm going to send these back and get a size 8 just so that they have a little bit more like extra room like away from my thigh, like kind of how they're shown on the model. So I tried another pair of shorts from the Sofia Vergara collection, and I paired it with a Sofia Vergara top, and I think this outfit is so cute for summer. So I just want to talk really quickly about each thing. So as far as the shorts go, I actually think that these fit really nicely. I took my regular size, and I feel like Sofia Vergara items, the pants like run very true to size, and her denim is so good. If you haven't tried a pair of Sofia Vergara jeans or shorts, I highly recommend it, especially if you're on the curvier side, because I feel like she just like designed her denim with curvier women in mind. They just fit really nicely. They're very flattering. They make your booty look good. I only hear people saying good things about the Sofia Vergara jeans. So let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried them before. I would love to hear your experience with them, but I personally think they're great. These, I kind of like how they're sort of like cut, and then you can tell they're like folded up, but they're folded up in such a way so that the shorts go slightly, ever so slightly upwards towards the side of your thigh. And then when you see on the side profile, they kind of have like a step hem effect where the back is a little bit longer than the front. And these are great. I want to say they're about the same length as the free assembly ones that I had put on previously, but something about them doesn't make me feel like they're going to ride up or anything. And these also, I will say, in comparison to the last pair, are very, very stretchy. I find them to be very comfortable. Moving on to this top, I saw this online and I just needed it. I will say a lot of the Sofia Vergara clothing, not her jeans, but like the clothes, don't necessarily appeal to me. Like this top, I just thought looked really classic and feminine and flirty, something really nice for summertime, and I'm really impressed with it. I think it's really well made. It's got like these cute little buttons that go up the front, and it has a little tie. The fabric kind of feels like a linen-y fabric. It feels very much more like not Walmart. It feels like something that you could find at Anthropologie or something like that. Just the quality and construction of it really impressed me. I love the print. The print's like this cute, like floral, citrusy motif. And the thing that's great about this top is the spaghetti straps are adjustable, so you can adjust everything to make it feel secure for you. But I also really like how it's sort of a peplum top, but not like extreme peplum. It kind of like hits you like right above your natural waist and just kind of flows outward. So let's say maybe you have like a burrito baby or something that you're trying to camouflage. This top is great because it just kind of like flows away from that midsection area where I know some people have concerns, and it's super flattering. Just a really nice flattering top. So the third pair of shorts I got were from the Lee brand, and I didn't know that Walmart sold this brand, but I ordered them, and I definitely sized up one because the website suggested that I do that, because like Walmart has like a little fit guide on there that will suggest sizes to you based on your past clothing purchases. And I'm glad I sized up, because if I hadn't, they would have been really tight. I think the size 8s definitely fit really close to the leg, closer than I would personally like, but I wasn't uncomfortable. There's that. I like that the length is a little bit longer, and they have the rolled style like the free assembly, but they have like a little bit of stretch to them. I don't know. I think that these ones were my least favorite of the 3 shorts that I tried on, but by no means were they terrible. I just think that the Sofia Vergara ones and the free assembly were both better for the price. I want to talk really quickly about the shirt that I'm wearing with these shorts though, because it is a recent Amazon find, and I absolutely love this shirt. It was like a really good basic that I found on Amazon. It's not very expensive. I want to say it's like maybe under $30, somewhere around that. But it's just such a good little button-down shirt. It's such a good piece to have in the summer, because especially this one, it's very, very lightweight. The fabric is so incredibly soft. Like I could sleep in this shirt. That's how soft it is. And I like the length. It's kind of a little bit longer. I feel like I could wear this like open as sort of like a jacket over a tank top, if that makes sense, or like over a bathing suit, or just running errands. I mean, this shirt is just the most comfortable thing I've put on in a long time, and it's such a classic piece. You really can't go wrong with having a button down. And I love that like dusty pink stripe, something different that I didn't have before. So from here on out, we've got dresses. I went crazy on the dresses in this haul. This first one is from Free Assembly, and this one caught my eye because I'm always so drawn to things that are like oversized or like kind of shapeless, and I think in theory it's really cool, and when I see it on like models on websites, it looks great. But for me, I just personally don't think I can always do that, and this shirt is kind of an example of that, but I think I'm kind of getting away with it. It does swallow me a bit, and I'm wearing a small, FYI. It's still pretty big, but I think it's classic. It's just something easy that you could wear running errands or running around, like maybe like a chill casual brunch. It's gonna be very comfortable in like the hot temperatures because of the fact that it's a very lightweight fabric. It's very breezy feeling, and you really cannot go wrong with a shirt dress. I feel like I say this in most of my hauls because I feel like most of my hauls have a shirt dress in them because I just love them, but it's such an easy thing to just throw on and go and look put together and chic. And this one probably would look a little bit more chic if I would have taken the time to steam it before I filmed this, but sorry, I was lazy. It looks really cute, worn casually with the white sneakers from my last haul, which are also linked down in the description box. But I think you can dress it up for like something a little bit more dressy by just maybe belting it and wearing it with some heeled sandals and changing up the accessories. It's a pretty versatile piece and it's super comfortable. It's also not sheer because it has like a double lining in it, so you don't have to worry about things showing that you don't want to show. So this next dress is from Scoop, and I'm feeling vacation ready in this dress because it is so fun, bright. This tropical print is just giving me hope and life for going someplace fun and beachy. This dress just screams for you to take it somewhere on vacation. Am I right? I loved the style of this. I feel like the like wrap situation that it has going on is very, very flattering, the way that it hits you and you can kind of tie it and it cinches your waist in a little bit. And let me just briefly say, the fabric on this is so soft. Oh my god, like when I was wearing it I just wanted to like feel it because it's just like felt so freaking soft and comfy. It's a very stretchy material, so I mean you can't go wrong with this dress. If you want to look tropical and fun on your vacation but you don't want to sacrifice comfort, get this dress and thank me later. And if you don't love this fabric or the print but you might be into something different, it does come in like some totally different print, so definitely check it out. I'm wearing the small and I definitely think it fits true to size. I paired it with this really colorful bag that I also featured in my last haul. This is also from Scoop at Walmart and I love it. I love wearing a bunch of colors together. I think it's just a fun, fresh look, and this bag also is like the perfect piece for if you're going on a tropical vacation because I feel like it just like screams like happy vacation vibes, but it also can fit a lot of stuff in it. It'd be great to take it to the beach, but then you can also take it, you know, out shopping, going out. Like it's just such a fun bag, and I love the like bamboo handle detail. It just elevates it that little bit more. These black Gladiator sandals are also from Walmart. They are time and true, and I also talked about these in my last haul, but they look so similar to the Steve Madden travel sandals that I know you've probably seen on a bunch of people, including me, which I have a pair of them, and I will say these look so similar, and they're $13. So if you wanted those sandals, you didn't want to pay the Steve Madden price tag, definitely get these. So this next dress from Scoop looked like such a cool dress online. Like the concept of it, I was so into it. I love like knits and knit dresses. I loved the chevron print in this. It kind of gave me, what is the brand I'm thinking of? Missoni! Gives me Missoni vibes in some ways. Kind of like a retro feel to it. So I decided to try it out. I got a medium. I'm not sure if that was because that was all that was available or if the fit guide like suggested me to get a medium, because normally I would take a small in Scoop, but I don't know. I feel like it just doesn't fit me right. Maybe if I had gotten the small it would, but I just don't think it's very flattering on me. It's just like, I feel like the knit doesn't like cinch tight enough to my body. It kind of makes me look heavier than I am. It doesn't really like do much for my body. So I don't know. I just don't really like it. And I also think the top like kind of hits my chest in a weird way. The straps feel like kind of constraining, like they're a little bit too tight, but you can't adjust them. So I don't know. It was a cute idea, and I did style it up for like a date night look, but I think I'm going to send this dress back. I wish that it just like, I don't know, just like a little bit better execution, and I would have definitely like said this dress was like a total keeper. Okay, so you probably want to know how to enter the giveaway, so I'm about to tell you. So if you want to enter the giveaway, it's super simple. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Your comment can be whatever you would like it to be, but make sure that you include this emoji in your comment somewhere so that I know you are entering this giveaway. Then you're going to go over to my Instagram, Miss More Style, and go to my very latest post. Leave me another comment, whatever you would like, but make sure that you put this emoji in your comment, and that way I will know that you're entering this giveaway. It just helps me keep everything organized. This giveaway will be open for a week. You can only enter if you're in the US, and I will be choosing a winner at random a week from today, so I will probably announce that on my Instagram stories. It's like the quickest way that you'll hear who the winner is. Best of luck. Let's get back to this haul. So the last piece that I have in this haul is from Free Assembly, and I loved this dress in like a different style. They had this pattern on a couple different pieces, and they had it on like a strappier sundress that kind of sold out. Maybe they'll restock it. But I wanted to try it in this one. It's like sort of a short sleeve dress, sort of an A-line tiered shape. And I got a small, and I have to say this dress is kind of oversized. It's very, shall we say, big. I don't know why it took me so long to find the word big. What is wrong with me? Not exactly as like form-fitting in the top part of my body as I was hoping for it to be. So I went ahead and belted it just because like I feel like I have to belt everything. I feel like that's what helps me like make a more flattering shape for my body personally. I probably wear this without a belt. I don't know, I just want to belt everything. I love the colors in this. I think it's just a really cute dress you could wear in a lot of casual situations and just look really cute. The fabric is super nice on this dress, I will say. Literally every free assembly piece I've ever purchased, I've always been really impressed with the quality and construction of their garments. So that probably is like my favorite Walmart brand, that one and Scoop. They always have just great like trendy, but then sometimes also classic pieces that are fun and they feel fresh, and the price is always right. Well, that concludes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment down below. Say hi. Let me know what your favorite outfit was. Let me know where you might like to see a haul from next. I have a Shein haul coming up very, very soon. Or just any other suggestions for videos that you might like to see from me. I always love to hear your suggestions. I want to make content that you guys like to watch. So always feel free to leave me a comment down there and make suggestions. I'm open to them. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. It would really mean so much to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!